International students will be required to take one in-person class to keep documents. Newest visa rules to armed tourist colleagues. Miriam Jordan, Jolan Cano Wings, and Dan Levin. Los Angeles. A directive by the Trump administration that would strip international college students of their US visas if their coursework was entirely online prompted widespread confusions on e-action notice. Bid proposals are invited by the Commissioner of Police, Kolkata, for a action from the eligible bidders of sales of 434 of unclaimed non-government vehicles lying at different dumping ground and PS compound of Kolkata Police. The NA document and other details will be available in the website Kolkata Government and Equation Government in dot. The bid cell will be submitted online in the website Election Government, and the bidders should have necessary portal enrollment with their DSC. Last date of submission for bidding 27/7/22 up to 15/3 of 15 hours. SDCP Kolkata. Tuesday, as students scrambled to clarify their status and attendance reopening policies amid the coronavirus pandemic. The White House measures announced on Monday was seen as an effort to preserve universities into reopening their gates and abandoning the caution approaches that many have announced they would adopt to reduce COVID-19 transmission. The effect may be to to reduce the number of international students enrolling at attachment together with delays in processing because visas as a result to the pandemic. Immigrant and advocates say the new rules of which must still be finalized this month might discourage many overseas students from attending American universities where they often pay full tuitions. The financial repercussion, repercussions. The institutions and poten- potentially very traumatic, said Daniel J. Henry, early chief executive of the mechanism Michigan Association of State Universities. Which represented the state's public universities. He cited students showing that 33,236 in international students contribute $1.2 billion to Michigan's economy in 2018. Janet Napolitano, the president of University of California, system and former Homeland Security Secretary under President Barack Obama described the rule as a double whammy that would probably result the budget cuts at many schools, which have already suffered financially during the pandemic. Universities don't need any extra pressure to reopen. Napolitano Napolitano said that I think most universities would love to reopen and be fully in person on classes, have their dorms fully occupied. But the concern that their campuses could become coronavirus clutters has prompted many universities to adopt measures to reduce exposure, from requiring marks in classrooms to limiting social activities to to reducing the number of students invite back to camp campus. Many have announced how many has announced a hybrid approach that would provide home in person classes but offer a significant amount of such changes could put foreign students visas known as F1 visas at risk under the new rules. International students who were universities are not planning in-person classes, which is currently the case at schools including the University of Southern California and Harvard University. Such changes could foreign students visas, which is currently case in school including the University of Southern California. Harvard would be required to return to their home countries to if they are already in the US. Those overseas would not be granted permissions to enter the country to take online coursework here. Kenneth the T. Cosinelli II, the acting deputy secretary of the Department of Homeland Security, said in an interview on CNN the administration was providing more flexibility for international students than in the past when they could only take one online course to qualify for visas. Now they can take more as long as at least some of their instructions in his persons.